Hello everybody. Today I'm trying a different angle with this is Brian here, trying a different angle with a flimsy little camera tripod on an iPhone, trying various experiments to see how and why social media can work for maximum exposure as an audience. So in this particular video, and those on the podcast, you can get this video or go towards datascience.com. Look for an article there called Evolution of a Salesman, Complete Genetic Algorithm Tutorial for Python. So I'm going to go over this. I've really liked genetic algorithms. They can be quite useful in the world of trading, algorithmic trading. There's a very good example of that on